Hi guys, Kyo here, and today I think I know what I have in this envelope. I think it's a case that I bought for my Samsung S25 Plus. This case that I got right now was like a 60% off, so I really had to get it because I really do like UAG. It's one of my favorite case brands so far. So yeah, let's unbox it and let's see what's inside of it. It's not their best case that you can actually get, but the look of the case I really like. Right now I'm using like a civilian, and civilian is pretty good. I do like it. I also use this case on S23 Ultra, iPhone 14 and S23. It is what it is. I do really like the stuff, so let's unboxing. So yeah, in this stuff I think it should be the case. I'm not gonna show the receipt because my name is on that thing. You can see what's going on. As you can see, it's like a Pathfinder, like a ash color. So since I started working in like a 2016, every single phone that I had, I also put like a UAG case on it. My first phone was Huawei P20. It had the same case but in like a clear version. Let's see what it says on the back. I don't know, it has like a drop protection. I'm not sure if this thing is gonna protect the phone really good, but one thing I know, every single time when I drop my phone, the phone actually survives. I had Samsung S20 FE. I was in a warehouse and I was talking to my colleague, and I don't know, I got really mad at something, so I took my phone and I yeeted the phone across entire storage. The phone hit the floor and it bounced to the wall, and then from the wall it bounced back to me. Actually it died because something in the phone kinda disconnected, but after I opened the phone and plugged connector back in, it actually worked without any issues. Let's reveal the case. Boom. Oh, nice. It looks really good. I forgot how you open this kind of cases. I think if you go from down. Boom. Okay. The feel is okay. I will see how it feels when I put it on my phone. So we have like 18 feet of like a drop protection. That's around 5 meters. It has like a military standard. I don't know what is that. It's made by recycled materials. Usually I don't like this thing, but I'm gonna see how it feels when it's in my hand. So yeah, basically on the back you don't have anything. Over here you don't have anything, and boom. This is how it looks like from inside. This is the back. I don't know, it has a good feeling to it. Let's try to put it on my phone, and I will try to take this thing off. Usually the cases for this phone that I have right now are horrible to take off. For example, whenever I wanted to take the case from my phone, this case, it was pain in the ass. It's same for this one, and this is the case that I don't think I ever used. I just got it because it looked nice. And also this one was also really hard to take it off. You saw it right now that I have so many issues trying to take it off. And let's try it right now. I don't usually like this thing here up here, but I think maybe I will like it when I put my phone into it. The first thing you do, you put like a buttons in. Okay. Nice. Oh, it looks really good in this case. Let me see the buttons. Oh, the buttons are not that bad. Oh, I do like it. I don't have any like a MagSafe. It looks decent. It feels good in a hand. You have some type of grip over here. For example, on this one, you didn't have it, but on this one you kind of have, because you have this like as you can see on the camera here, you have this stuff, and this thing kind of helps you to grip the phone. And then you have like a UAG stuff. This is like a MagSafe. I don't have like a MagSafe, as I said, so yeah, I won't be able to test it. The ports, they look clean. The cuts are also clean. And on the back, I think it's a microphone on the top or antenna or something. And oh yeah, it can't stand. God damn it. So yeah, everyone, thank you so much for watching this review. I really hope you enjoyed. And if you did, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and cheers.